Hello everyone, I am Rahul. Today we are discussing about how to prevent and away from corona. How to be clean means how to be clean in our daily lives to away from corona. Do hand wash when you come from outside to home. If some go outside, they will touch some objects that will be touched by the patient of that corona. So you have to do hand wash when you come outside to home. Put mask can be safety when there is many crowd of the people. We do not know how in which place they come. They will be have that symptoms. So if you touch him and you put that, if you touch them in your hand and then you touch your mouth from the hand, that will go into our body and we will also be patient of this. So be clean, put mask that will avoid some, and be safety when there is many. If there is a crowd, it will be there sometimes. So be careful and safety if where there is many crowd of the people. Some uneducated people, they do not do hand wash and do not put mask. They touch it will they touch that object which have virus, and they will be dangerous to them because the virus would come quickly to them. Because some uneducated people, so what they do means they think that it will not come me, I am hard, that type they are thinking, so they do not put mask or anything and will be calmly. So when a people have corona, the patient would touch an object. If another people touch the object, the virus would go onto them and they also be a patient. So like uneducated people, they do not do hand wash and do not put mask and they touch that object, it will be dangerous to them, and because the virus would come quickly to them because they do not have cleanliness. So that is why properly we should do hand wash and we touch outside materials, means like the rupees notes, that all touched by that patient, so that virus would be on that not. So if we touch that one, it will not harmful as well. When it touch our mouth and nose, it will be harmful. So when it is only in our hand, we should take a hand wash. So it will be go. Time of living in that object, the virus do not means that the virus do not stay permanently in an object. There will be a time limit, means the virus should not stay permanently lifelong. It will be die after some time. In materials like plastic and copper, they stay an hour and they will be die. But in wooden materials, they stay for a day. The day or 2 days, and in neck it will be for 4 to 5 days. Means you do not think that it will be go in 4 to 5 days. It will harm and sometimes causes death in only 4 to 5 days. Death of so many people. So, how will be the death of so many persons? There is no medicine to cure this disease. Some doctors are finding medicine to this disease. Means now it was problem that there is no medicines, and some doctors are finding medicine to this disease. It will be finded by doctor after sometimes, and it will be dangerous for people like 10 years below and 65 years above. They do not have capacity to suffer this disease, means they do not have the capability to suffer from this disease. They will be die from this disease. So they are very smooth, and the parts all are will be smooth. So another thing is, if a person have, wait 1 minute. If a person have the virus, if a virus go for an body of the person, it will take 14 days to act as corona. So doctor cannot find this corona before the when the virus go 14 days. After 14 days they will find. So when in 14 days they will touch so many people, so they also have that symptoms. So this is causing the disease to many people, and they causes death of so many people. So we discuss about how to live, prevent from corona. Thank you. Please subscribe this channel and click on subscribe button and click on bell button to see our videos.